Storing HVAC filters is typically associated with using a vendor that makes you take full case quantities or has a longer lead time. This can come with substantial cost. I'll break these down into 5 key points. The cost of storage space first. Basically, what else could you do with this space and what else could you be using it for if you didn't need to keep filters on hand? Secondly, the cost of buying more than you need due to not being able to split a case. This can cost you between 10 and 20% more on your filter orders. You say, well, I need to use them later. That leads us to point number 3. The cost of inventorying these filters. Each time you need to do a filter change, you head to your storeroom and you count what you have on hand. You then take that off your next order. Just think of what else you could be doing with that time. Fourthly, damaged and obsolete filters. Whenever you store filters, you inadvertently end up with filters from a unit that have been changed or damaged back into your stock. And lastly, staging these filters. This is the most painful part of the process. You have to lay the filters out by air handler or unit so you can take the right filters with you. So how can you remove storage costs from your filter program? Introducing the Maxxkitting program by Puremaxx. Get exactly what you need, when you need it, and where you have been installed last. You have nothing left once all filters are installed. Every order is the same, or you can even automate these to be different if you would like. These orders come clearly labeled by area and/or air handler unit to remove staging, storage, and admin time. I'm Evan from Puremaxx, and please reach out to us for more information.